of our CVSecurity patrol module for efficient truck management. So the primary goal of this solution is to precisely track when a truck departs from our facility and when it arrives back. So we are going to be implementing a countdown mechanism so that if a truck fails to reach the facility within the expected time, the system would automatically update its status. So first, I'm going to be using the personnel module. So I already created two personnels in the personnel module, and I've identified them with a number tag, which is going to be the RFID tag. So I have the truckman 2, and I also have the truckman. So, and I've mapped the RFID tag to them. So the next thing is to add my controllers, which I've also done here. So I've added my controllers to each of the UHF. So here I'm using a Inbao 460 Pro controller, so which is currently online. So the next thing is the patrol module. So on the patrol module, I'm going to be taking you through a run through. So we have the device, we have the checkpoints, we have parameters. So first is to add the device, which is the controller. So I've added the controller here. So the second thing to do is to add my checkpoints. So my checkpoint is truck point 1 and truck point 2. So and I added them to each of the controller, each of the controller points, each of the log points in the controller. So this is 192.168.3.34 in, while the second one is for out. So the next thing is to set a plan. So in my plan, I'm going to set it by week. So the start time is going to be from 0 to 23:59. So it means for every day, there's going to be a start time of 0 to 23:59. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So once the truck checks in with one of the reader, the countdown is going to start. So within this specified time on each of these particular days. So the next thing is to go to my routing. So I'm going to do my routing in two ways, because here I have two truckmen. So this patrol subject identifies the truckman and also the RFID tag associated with each of the trucks. So I'm going to set my routes. So here I set the route name to be routes and the plan name to be my truck plan, which I assigned the weekdays. So my limited time is going to be 10 minutes. So you can set it to any time. So it means this limited time is when the countdown is going to start. So once the truck checks in, once any of the trucks checks in, then the countdown is going to start to 10 minutes. So you can also set it to 5 minutes, you can set it to 2 minutes, you can set it to 240 minutes, which is approximately 24 hours. So but here for this demo sake, I'm using 10 minutes for the first truck, and also for the second truck making use of 5 minutes limited time. So once the first truck badges on the once each of the truckmen, once the UHF reader identifies each of the trucks reader, the countdown would start. So I'm going to go to patrol monitoring. So on the patrol monitoring, you see the week plan. So you see for the patrol subject truckman 1, so which is going to identify the first truck. Then we have the truckman 2, which is going to identify the second truck. So this is the truck point. So once the reader identifies the truck point 1, so truck point 1 means the truck is about to leave the facility. So once the reader identifies the truck point 1, the indicator status changes. So yeah, I'm going to So yeah, I'm going to change. So you can see the status changes for truck point 1. So immediately I badge Immediately the UHF identifies the choke point one, there's going to be an indicator here. So if it reaches up to 5 minutes or 10 minutes and the truck did not arrive at the next stop, which is truck point 2, or the truck did not come back to the facility, then the indicator is going to change to red. So you can also get the transaction report, get the truck points. You can see it 230904 at 1427 at 1226. You can see the updated card. So this is the verification mode only card, this is the checkpoint, this is the route name. So you can also get the patrol records for the day. So you can see this is the only patrol records we have for the day for truck point 1. So if I also try to badge my card or badge any of the UHF to the card, you are going to see the updated details. This shows that Truckman 2 has actually badged at the second point, and you can also see the results of that in the indicator. So this result shows that Truckman 2 should not badge at truck point. So Truckman 2 should badge at the first point, then it means Truckman 2 has to make an exit before making entry back. So this is just giving you the detailed view. You can also check the patrol route statistics and see this supposed patrol time, real patrol times, mixed patrol times, wrong patrol number, and also you can see the patrol personnel statistics. That's the truckman. You can see the statistics time and the supposed patrol time. So here's how you can achieve a trucking solution using the ZKBio CVSecurity patrol guard. Thank you.